Able, adjective. 1. Able to do something. Used as a modal verb. To have the skill, intelligence, opportunity, etc. needed to do something. Examples. You must be able to speak French for this job. A viral illness left her barely able to walk. We're still able to get visas to come and go from Thailand. I didn't feel able to disagree with him. Will you be able to come? Are you really willing and able to do what is necessary? They don't even seem able to see what's good about their ideas. These families are less able to afford a balanced, healthy diet. Opposite. Unable. Grammar point. Can, could, be able to, manage. Can is used to say that somebody knows how to do something. Example. Can you play the piano? It is also used with verbs of seeing, noticing, etc. Example. I can hear someone calling. Can is also used with passive infinitives to talk about what it is possible to do. Example. The podcast can be downloaded here. Can or be able to are used to say that something is possible or that somebody has the opportunity to do something. Example. Are you able to come on Saturday? You use be able to form the future and perfect tenses and the infinitive. Examples. You'll be able to get a taxi outside the station. I haven't been able to get much work done today. She'd love to be able to play the piano. Could is used to talk about what someone was generally able to do in the past. Example. Our daughter could walk when she was 9 months old. You use was, were able to or manage, but not could, when you are saying that something was possible on a particular occasion in the past. Example. I was able to manage to find some useful books in the library. I could find some useful books in the library, is not correct. In negative sentences, could not can also be used. Example. We weren't able to, didn't manage to, couldn't get there in time. Could is also used with this meaning with verbs of seeing, noticing, understanding, etc. Example. I could see there was something wrong. Could have is used when you are saying that it was possible for somebody to do something in the past but they did not try. Example. I could have won the game but decided to let her win. Extra examples. Local farmers were able to make a decent living selling their produce. Humans are uniquely able to use true language. I was just able to make out a dark figure in the distance. Once you've had some sleep you'll feel better able to cope. She is not physically able to take care of herself. Unfortunately they weren't able to come. 2. Comparative abler, superlative ableist, intelligent, good at something. Examples. She's the ablest student in the class. We aim to help the less able in society to lead an independent life. Extra examples. He was a very able man in business matters. Less able students. She seems very able. See also, ably. Word origin. Late Middle English, also in the sense. Easy to use, suitable. From Old French habile, from Latin habilis. Handy, from haber, to hold.